Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you to the pool lights. Submersible LED light for underwater use. Yes, it is really waterproof. It's battery operated pond lights with RF remote suction caps and 16 colors with on top magnet device system, suction cups, magnets, waterproof for above ground, in-grounds, pools, fountain, bathtub, aquarium, for example. And here it comes in a 4-pack. Of course, you can buy it one by one, or a 2-pack, or here it's a 4-pack. Remote control and 3 timer options are inclusive. The LED submersible lights can be easily controlled with the RF remote control up to 100 feet. These are 30 meters in the air and 3.3 feet. These are 1 meter underwater. The submersible lights can remote control multi-lights, and we don't need to point at the lights to remote. With 3 timer options, the pool light can be set on and off for 2 hours, 4 hours, or 6 hours. And it comes to you from Ruyilam. That's an awesome brand because they build in 13 LEDs, light emitted diodes, and they build in a chip with 16 color changes and 3 light modes. With 13 built-in high-quality light-emitted diodes, the underwater light will be much brighter and more vivid than others on the market. It has 16 colors, 5 levels of brightness adjustment, 3 color changing modes. The Ruyilam waterproof pond lights gives us more choices and gives us a variety of color options. And it comes with an EP68 waterproof design and an updated suction cups. This in-ground pool lights features a sealed housing design, and they are IP68 certified. The structure of the submersible LED light is upgraded from 2 small external magnets and 2 pieces of suction cups to a large built-in magnet and a 4-piece suction cups. This is doubled than the version before. This is really an update. With updated suction caps, the pool lights can be used in both air and underwater on flat and smooth surfaces. These pool LED lights are suitable for various lighting scenarios and can be used indoor or, of course, outdoor places. The LED pool light can be placed for Halloween in a pumpkin, for example, lantern decor, pools, vases, wedding parties, aquariums, fish tanks, ponds, fountains, party areas, hallways, gradations, holiday decorations, etc., etc., etc. Because it's waterproof, you can use it anywhere and where you like. And this is cool. This makes you independent. The underwater lights are made with high-quality LED chips that can save more power than other lights. Simply, we have to insert 3 new AAA batteries, which are not included and sold separately, and the light will work up to 35 hours. One submersible LED lights 4-pack kit contains 4 LED lights, 2 remote controls, 18 suction cups, and this is enough for a big pool, for example. Oh yeah, in the garden, in the pasture, where you like. Ruyilam, this brand aim has always been for quality lighting devices. This is making to be accessibility and affordability for everyone. As a brand, they encapsulate confidence, boldness, and always seeing the positive side to every scenario. To Ruyilam, this is all about hard work and the passion for lightning. They are fast-paced and up-to-date with the latest trends. And here it's really cool because in this LED work thing here, you will need a power supply underwater. It's not the right place there for solar, no. It's not the right place for wired, no. I think the best thing is here to use AAA batteries for it, or you can use accumulators to reload them, okay? Because these devices are IP68 waterproof, that means you can let them under the halo of the water. It's an upgrade of remote control. That means you can use it better than before. And this submersible LED pool lights comes with 13 LEDs, IP68 waterproof, and on top it's a magnet built in, with suction cups, with RGB 16 colors mode, and it's operate using AAA batteries. The color-changing submersible LED pool lights, not only for underwater, of course, but also for bathtubs, vases, ponds, dining and living rooms, aquariums, summer water parties. Let's spend a colorful time together. The remote range is up to 100 feet in the air and 3.3 feet under the water. One remote can control multiple lights. We do not need aim at the lights itself, but we have to be, if they're underwater, we have to be in the range of 3.3 feet. On the remote control, we have a turn off timer, the timer function we can turn off. We have an on and an off switch. We have the brightness plus, brightness minus. That means we can rise up the brightness level and go down with the brightness level. We have 3 dynamic modes: flash, smooth and fade. This is a cool system. We have the white color, the red, green and blue, and there are more colors available on the remote itself. We have 3 timer options: 2 hours, 4 hours, 6 hours. We press the button, it will rotate the 2 colors on the button side, so you can choose up to 16 colors. Oh yeah, that's cool. That's really cool. And what's more cool I like is the IP68 waterproof thing. The underground pool light meets the IP68 waterproof rating. It features a double shell sealed design made of highly waterproof ABS materials combined with an external silicone seal. No more worrying about water getting into the pool lights. Of course, we do not move or remove the seal ring, okay? We make sure that the seal ring is in the correct position. Especially, we keep the inner seal ring stayed in the groove. We should twist up tightly. We twist the light until the cap can't be twisted any further to make it fully waterproof before putting it underwater. That's very important, okay? We do not we do note this, and we do not let it open because then it's not waterproof. We have to seal it. We dry the lights first before replacing the batteries, in case that the water will go inside and cause the failure to the light. After we put in the batteries, we please tighten it firmly before placing it into water. We do not place it in the water without being tightened or twisted. That's really important, okay? It's better not to use it in hot water or steam, because the vaporum will go into light and damage the components, which will lead the light stop working. The operation temperature is 0 degrees Celsius up to 40, but I think this is a big range and a good range. So maybe you have an outside pool. If there comes wintertime, remove that LED system. In the summertime, I think 40 degrees Celsius will not be reached underwater. We unscrew the cover of the pond light counterclockwise. We insert the 3 AAA batteries in a correct way, plus and minus. We put the negative end of the battery to the spring and the positive end of the another, and then job's done. We tighten the cover of the pool light clockwise. We tear off the plastic diver on the remote control and press on. Job's done. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.